So, you want to become a content creator. When people make that decision, they think of YouTube, and rightly so. It's free to create a channel. They already have a camera on their phone. They start posting and hope that they start making money from ads. Most see it as a side hustle, and that's the wrong way of thinking about it. Content creation is hard. Scripting, lighting, sound, recording more than one take, and editing. Content creation is business. The founders of YouTube made it for business. Google bought YouTube for business. But people keep grinding and start to watch videos about how to beat the algorithm, how many times to post, and so on. But here's the thing. YouTube made $40 billion in ad revenue in 2025. If YouTube was to distribute all $40 billion evenly to all 100 million channels, each channel would only get $400 for the year. And remember that YouTube is a business. They are going to get their cut of that $400. So, should you start a YouTube channel? Absolutely. Why? Because it's free marketing. Marketing is expensive, but necessary for a business to tell the world they exist. If you still want to be a content creator, there are 3 types of creators. One creator's goal is to sell products and services for other companies. Another creates content is to sell their own products or service. The other is where their content itself is the product, where people pay to watch the content like an independent film or a podcast or even a vlog. This third category is the reason we created our web hosting service exclusively for creators. All 3 categories of creators need an audience to achieve their goal. The first 2 categories can be done here on YouTube. But if you fall in the third category where the content itself is the product where people pay to watch the content, that is a whole different playbook entirely. And if this is you, we can help. Regardless of which category you fall into, the key takeaway is to treat content creation as a business, not as a side hustle. And if you are going to work that hard, you might as well work to benefit yourself. I'll see you on the next one.